Good morning students. Today we discuss about class selector for specific element. Before that we know CSS used to apply styles to a web page or website. Okay. To apply CSS we have to use here ID selector, class selector. In ID selector it selects the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. It is unique to a web page. Okay. It is used with hash sign. ID selector is used with hash sign. Class selector. Class selector is used if you want to change a group of elements on your web page, then you have to use class selector with dot sign. Okay, dot sign is very important here. Dot sign. Then suppose we want to apply style on a web page to a specific element, then how we can do this? We can do this by using class selector for a specific element. Means we can do this the element name with class selector in HTML page. See here, class selector for specific element. Okay, to specify only one specific HTML element should be affected, then you should use the element name with class selector. Means what? In HTML page or in web page, if you want to specify only one element, means HTML element should be affected with property, means if you want to apply style to a specific element on your web page, then you have to use the element name with class selector. Okay, here suppose my program, this is in body tag we write here element name. First element name is h1. In h1 class is equal to intro. Here my class name is intro. Okay, then this heading is not affected, end of h1 tag. Next tag p, class is equal to intro. Okay, we know in class selector we have to use the same class name on different element. Okay, this paragraph is blue and center aligned the end of paragraph tag. Suppose I want to apply style on specific element. Here h1 and p are two elements. Okay, here two elements are there. Suppose I want to set the style on one specific element, that is p. Okay, on paragraph element I want to apply style. Then how we can write this in program? In program, see here, in style tag, you know the structure of HTML, and using style sheet, how we can using style tag, how we can write that program. Under head tag we write here style. Okay, under head tag we write here style tag. Under style tag we write here element name. Okay, means to apply style on a specific element, we write here element name first in style tag. Element name is p. Then dot intro, this is the syntax to write the class selector. Okay, which is preceded by a dot sign. Dot intro is a class name. Okay, then in curly bracket we have to write here declaration. In declaration box text align center and color blue. It is separated by semicolon. See here, it is separated by semicolon. Then curly bracket complete in end of style, end of head. Okay, like that we have to write the program. Okay, see here again, means here we have to apply that style, means alignment, center and blue color. We apply that style on paragraph element, means P element. That P element, in P element this paragraph is blue and center aligned. Means for this text that style is applied here. Means this paragraph is blue and center aligned is display on the center of the page, web page, and it is in blue color. Okay, here H1 element is not affected because we apply this style on a specific element. For a specific element we write in style tag. In style tag we write here element name dot intro. If suppose I want to apply this style on H1 element also, then for H1 we write here again one sentence H1 dot intro, and which affect which properties you want to operate or which style you want to apply on line, then you have to write in curly bracket. That all you write in curly bracket. Okay, then end of style. Like this way you can write the program. Okay, here output also given. Here in output, see here, this heading is not affected because in for H1 we not write that in style tag, we not write element name. Okay, specific, because it is, this style is applied for a specific element, so that specific element name is P. Here P dot intro is, P is a specific element name, and then dot means class selector name, and that style is applied for a paragraph tag only. Okay, this output, this paragraph is blue and center aligned. Means like that we can apply styles, CSS style on a specific element using element name with class selector. Okay, thank you.